welcome back to our channel. Guys, we're gonna be making some whipped coffee and it's really good. Did a little pre-test before this video. It's really simple to make. So all you just need is a couple ingredients. First, you're gonna need some Nescafé Clásico instant coffee, which is I like this kind. You can get any other kind of instant coffee. You're gonna need some cinnamon, not too much. You're also gonna need some sugar, and you're also gonna need some hot water. In this case, I put it in this cup. You're gonna need a whisk because we're gonna be whipping this for a while, and then a bowl. Alright, so let's get into it. Oh my god, trying to make your own cooking show all by yourself is so hard. Woo! Alright, so this recipe is gonna call for 2 tablespoons. So we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. I wanna make it look aesthetically pleasing. We're gonna do another tablespoon of instant coffee. Once you're done with that, you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of sugar. This recipe is even throughout the whole thing, so 2 of everything basically. You're gonna put some sugar. Alright. I'm gonna add another one for good luck. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of water. H2 motherfucking no. Ooh, I'm just gonna put that in there. Ooh, we're just gonna drizzle that bad boy in there. So it's gonna look something like this. Looks ugly, right? I know. We're gonna put a little, just a little bit, not too much. Maybe. Probably like that much. We're gonna mix this bad boy up. Already, oh my gosh, I want to marry this. The color and the texture got a lot fluffier. You know, it looks very like a nice butter toffee looking color. It looks really nice and yummy. Cup with ice. Then you're gonna put some milk. I'm gonna get some powdered French vanilla creamer. And you're just gonna pour it inside your cup. Voila. Ooh! Oh my gosh, look at this, so hot. Oh my god, it looks so yummy. So this is how your whipped coffee should look like. It looks really yummy. And then now all you have to do is taste. Wow, those taste pretty good. Bye guys, thanks so much for watching my video today, and hopefully you guys get to test this at your house too. You know, since we're in quarantine, please stay at home. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what was your favorite part about this video. If you want to give me more suggestions down below, just go ahead. I'm right here. I have all the time in the world, literally. We're in quarantine. Okay guys, thanks so much, and hopefully you try it out. Bye guys.